to une.tw workshop. I'm Pong Pong. Recently, I moved to a new apartment, so in this room is my new studio space. And I'm quite excited to be in here and happy because in this room is quite large and it's quite bright during the daytime. I don't need to turn on the light so far, and also it's quiet, so I don't need to feel awkward when I record a video with noisy background or speaking alone. Yeah, but so far that I haven't bring all the material with me, like wet felting wool fiber haven't come with me, and some materials that the tools haven't yet, but so far I'm quite satisfied with the things that I need so far. And yesterday I just finished this table. It was quite difficult for me to screw in the screwer because the hole is too tiny and it took me a lot of strength to use just small screwdriver. Yesterday I borrowed one electric one from my friend's father, but in the end I don't know how to make it work because the top of the machine that is haven't changed to screwdriver yet, and it's too hard for me to open it. So it's like, oh my gosh, I cannot use it. If I can really open it, I think I can screw them by myself with 11 screwers. So that time I was thinking, okay, fine, let's forget about it. I just use them by myself, and then nothing else. Let's check about my new studio room, and further on I will modify it like step by step or little by little, like months after that. Let's see what I need more in here. This is the table that I finished yesterday, and this is the work I'm currently working on for the craft market, and with some of the sketchbook for oil pastel drawing. And so far I don't have lots of a shelf I can use in here, so lots of camera things and oil pastel tools is here. But I don't want to have too much things. I just want to keep minimum as much as I need. And here is my wool fiber, but those are the needle felting one. I haven't bring the wet felting yet. And this is the blending machine. I quite like this one. Before I haven't used them quite much, but this is working super well. So furthermore, I will use it more often as I can. And this is the colors that I like to do it like this way. I can know which number of them and the color apparently through the plastic window in here. And yeah, that is my new body. And here is my computer space that I can use computer in here. And so the room is quite like this. I can work also here. And yeah, it's quite huge. So I'm so excited that further on I can make more video in this room. It's quite bright, no? Okay, that's it. It's short, quick studio tour. Not even really a tour, but yes, it's happy to share with you. And if you have more questions or what kind of subject you want to watch in my studio or in my channel, let me know in the comment below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.